Hey there, data enthusiasts. Ever wondered if AI has finally stuffed itself silly on all the data it can find? Well, buckle up, because Elon Musk says it has, and he's got some wild ideas about what's next. Welcome to All Roads, your front row seat to the crazy, mind-blowing world of AI and tech. Today, we're diving headfirst into something called peak data theory. And trust me, it's going to be a hilarious, eye-opening ride. Picture this. AI's been gorging itself at the buffet of human knowledge, and now the plates are empty. What's it going to do next? Let's find out. So here's the scoop. Peak data theory is this insane idea that we've hit the limit on useful human-generated data for training AI. Yep, according to the man himself, Elon Musk, we ran out of the good stuff around 2024. Imagine AI as a hungry teenager who's raided the fridge, eaten all the pizza, and now there's nothing left but crumbs. Except instead of pizza, it's every tweet, blog post, and cat video humanity's ever made. Musk dropped this bombshell in a recent chat, saying, "We've now exhausted basically the cumulative sum of human knowledge in AI training. That happened basically last year." Bold? You bet. Surprising? Not if you know Elon. He's the guy who thinks colonizing Mars is a weekend project. But wait, there's more. Since we've apparently used up all the human data, like all of it, AI's got to get creative. Enter synthetic data, stage left. This is data that AI generates all by itself, like a chef whipping up recipes from scratch because the pantry's bare. Sounds futuristic, right? Elon's all in on this. He thinks synthetic data is the key to keeping AI moving forward, a bit like handing it a blank notebook and saying, "Go write your own textbook, buddy." It's a wild shift, and it's got the tech world buzzing like a beehive on espresso. Now let's break this down with a little humor, because this stuff's too good not to laugh at. Picture AI as a student who's read every book in the library and now has to learn by scribbling its own notes. Sometimes it's brilliant, sometimes it's just doodling stick figures in the margins. That's synthetic data in a nutshell. AI feeding itself, hoping it doesn't end up in a loop of self-made nonsense. And Elon? He's the eccentric professor cheering it on, saying, "Trust me, this'll work." He's got a point, though. Human data's tapped out, so what else are we going to do? Send AI to therapy for overeating? Here's where it gets juicy. What happens when AI starts relying on this stuff? Well, it could be a game changer or a total train wreck. On one hand, synthetic data could mean infinite possibilities. Need a million fake x-rays to train a medical AI? Done. Want a virtual city for a self-driving car to practice in? Boom, generated. It's like a magic fridge that never runs out of snacks, except the snacks are data, and the fridge is a supercomputer worth more than your house. Plus, here's a perk. Less need to snoop on real people's data. No more ads stalking you because AI thinks you're obsessed with weird stuff like artisanal socks or glow-in-the-dark toothpaste. Privacy might actually catch a break. But hold your horses. It's not all sunshine and robot rainbows. There's a flip side, and it's a doozy. If AI learns too much from itself, it could end up like a dog chasing its own tail, running in circles, looking real busy, but not getting anywhere useful. Experts are worried about biases sneaking in, making AI less grounded in reality. Imagine an AI doctor prescribing unicorn tears for a cold because it trained on its own wacky simulations, or an AI comedian bombing with jokes it wrote itself. Trust me, nobody wants to hear a robot's take on knock-knock humor. Worse yet, synthetic data could supercharge fake content. Deepfakes so real, your grandma's forwarding them faster than chain emails about free cruises. Ethical nightmare? Oh, you bet. Let's zoom out and think about the future, because this is where it gets wild. If synthetic data takes over, AI training could turn into a sci-fi plotline. We might see models that are crazy smart in fake worlds, but clueless in ours, like a traffic AI that's aced virtual highways but freaks out at your local roundabout. And the costs? Generating this stuff at scale isn't cheap. Big tech might dominate even more, leaving smaller players eating synthetic dust. It's like the rich getting richer, but with data instead of gold bars. Still, there's hope. This could spark a race to innovate, with companies cooking up genius ways to make synthetic data work. Maybe AI will surprise us and level up, like a kid who finally stops copying their friend's homework and starts acing the test. So where does this leave us? Peak data theory's shaking things up, and Elon's betting big on synthetic data to save the day. Will it? Who knows? It could be the breakthrough we need, or it might lead us down a rabbit hole of AI-generated gibberish. Picture this. One day, your robot therapist is nodding along, trained entirely on its own fake emotions. Hilarious? Maybe. Terrifying? Definitely. And either way, the future of AI is looking like a roller coaster, and we've got front row seats. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride, folks. That's peak data theory and Elon Musk's big brain take straight from the All Roads crew. What do you think? Will synthetic data be AI's secret sauce, or are we in for a comedy of errors? Drop your thoughts below, and let's keep the convoy rolling. If you loved this dive into the tech abyss, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because trust me, the next adventure is going to be even crazier. Until then, keep your eyes on the road and your mind on the future. Catch you in the next one.